Good service. Yeah, good down the line. And Regan failed to convert his backhand counter to a point. The score is love 2. Love 2, Shubh 2, Regan pace PBA. Good service, short return, and Shubh could not make it his forehand flick close to the table, over the table, and got the point. Given the point, his score is 2-1. Regan, Shubh to Regan. Good service by Shubh. Good return by Regan. A good long pushes, and in the long push, backhand push, Shubh failed to return it. The score is now 3-2. Regan to Shubh. Service, a cross forehand drive on backhand of the Regan. The very good rally went on. Now Regan failed to convert the point, and the score is now 2-3. Regan to Shubh Delhi. Forehand short service. A good backhand pushes. A good displace by Shubh on the extreme forehand down the lane. Displacement on the extreme forehand and got him the point. Now the score is 4-2. Shubh Delhi to Regan. PSB. Short service on forehand. A good backhand forehand flick. And in the cross forehand drive played by the Shubh, it was returned by Regan, and Shubh could not able to make the point afterwards. So now the score is 4-3. Shubh to Regan. Good. Goel Shubh of Delhi tried to play a short angle drive on the backhand of the Regan, and the score is now 4-all. Regan pace BBA to Goel Shubh Delhi. Service, long service, a good drive on the body line. Both the drives on the body line played by the Regan and got him the point. Now the score is 5-4. 5-4 Regan to Shubh. Service, and Shubh failed to return the service. The score is now 4-6. 4-6 Shubh to Regan. Short service, short push, and Regan pushed the back on the extreme backhand and touched the edge and got the point to the Regan. Now score is 4-7. In fourth game, score is 4-7. A good down the line drive from his forehand to the backhand of the Shubh got the point for Regan, and the score is now 8-4. In fourth game, the score is 8-4 in favor of Regan. Case to be Regan to Shubh now. Service, a long push, and a backhand open by the Shubh. It was countered by the back with his backhand. Regan got him the point. The score is 9-4. Regan to Shubh, 9-4 in fourth game. Service, a very good cross forehand drive from his backhand. Shubh from his backhand to the extreme backhand of the Regan got him the point. Now the score is 5-9. Shubh to Regan. Forehands to backhand side service, a good backhand open, good backhand to backhand counter, but Regan couldn't return it. So the score is 6-9. 6-9 Shubh to Regan. Service and short service on forehand, a good push down the line push, but there is a point given by the umpire to the Regan. Now the score is 10-6 Regan to Shubh New Delhi. Regan to Shubh Delhi. A good cross drive, good backhand flick, and a forehand kill. Again a forehand kill by Regan. Again he killed high ball. Again the high ball written by the Shubh, and he's killing it with forehand, and he's going on like that only. And lucky, it's lucky to Regan. While killing the ball, touch the net and fall down on the opponent side, and the Shubh could not able to return it. The score is now 11-6. The fourth game won by